Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. First of all, you must read GoTranscription guideline. This will help you in passing the audio test. Because this guideline is very important, you must apply all these guidelines into the audio test before submitting the audio test. If you not follow these GoTranscription guidelines, you never pass audio test. So first of all, you must read all these transcription guidelines all the way to the end. After that, you need to apply all these transcription guidelines into the audio test. I already transcribe audio test into test file. So before submitting the audio test, you need to apply all these rules into the audio test. So let's start the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Insurance companies get a little jumpy sometimes when they know a house has knob and tube. But as long as they know about it and you can say it on your insurance form, then it's usually not ever an issue. Then, of course, some people have upgraded the wiring where there are some two-prong outlets that aren't grounded with some three-prong outlets that are grounded. As you can see, that bottom middle picture where it looks like somebody has put in some new wiring. But again, they forgot the simple task of putting on a cover over the junction box to make it a little safer. It's not like the first thing they do. They usually have a degree of time within their home location with their company to get to know the company. What I would say is that when a company expatriates people, it's generally taking people that it knows well and that it can trust. I think what I would say from expatriates is you get a degree of reliability. You really know what you're getting. When you send an expatriate manager, you know what he can do. You know what his approach to risk is to managing the company's in the company's best interest, and so you can rely on it.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
It's hard for me to say superior performance. I would say it's about risk mitigation. You have a known entity, and that known entity is someone who's worked for you locally, who you can then export their skills, their reliability, their expertise, and that's what you'll get. What tends to happen, I feel, and I've seen a lot in my career, is an expatriate would go to a company, he would work with the staff locally. Oh geez, I was working on a really complex errand cable and noticed I'd miscrossed an inch back. I tried laddering down, but that was a mess. Then I tried tinking back, but the gauge was too tight to do that easily. I would have had to frog the whole damn thing, but I had in a lifeline. Thank goodness I had the foresight to do that. Anyway, getting back to our topic. Safety is a key factor in these days, in the oil and gas industry particularly. Different countries have very different cultures associated with their approach to safety. If you have a particular company culture, you can expatriate people who assign to your attitude and approach to risk on safety and feel that you've got a better chance of managing it, controlling it with those people in the location, rather than relying on developing the local culture.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. You need to apply our GoTranscription guideline into it before submitting the audio test. So all these rules must be applied on audio test before submitting it. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and also please like this video and do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.